Hey everyone, I unexpectedly got a new part for my Hoover Elites, and I really did not expect that I was going to find this, and it is the hose converter for it. And the story behind it is I went to the vacuum store dumpster of the vacuum store that I most frequently go to, and did a little part searching, as I have done more frequently. And I found a bunch of hoses to Kirby Generation 3s and 4s, and some other hoses, and I thought, oh, well, I definitely know he's not going to want them back, and he wouldn't buy used stuff from me anyway. And like, well, maybe I'll try the other vacuum store that I infrequently go to, and see if they can use them, because, I mean, they practically keep everything off vacuums that they get and whatnot, whereas the guy I go to, he like practically throws everything out eventually. So anyway, so I went through my basement and selected a few hoses I knew I didn't need, and put them all in my car and went there and said, got a bunch of hoses, you want to take a look at it? And he said, yeah, sure, bring them in, and brought them in. He's like, oh, we don't have any use for the Kirby ones, and those are the ones I was hoping to sell. He's like, but these other ones that are here, which were some Eurekas or something, he's like, we go through these like crazy, so $20 for all of them. And I'm like, yeah, I could have probably got more if I could sell them on my own, but I can't sell them on my own, so that won't do me any good. So $20 it was, and I just happened to look to the other side of the store, and I saw sitting out in the middle of the floor a Hoover Elite 200, and I said, you wouldn't happen to come across the hose converter for one of those machines, because I came in there about a month ago, and they didn't have one. He's like, well, let me check. And he went back, and sure enough, he had one. He says $5, and it was like, wow, this is like really my luck there. And even more funny is the Elite 200 was for sale at $38, and I would really, really like to get it. So I'm thinking about getting some vacuums out of the basement so I can convince my mom to let me get it, or bring it in, should I say, and maybe I'll buy it. So yeah, I'd really like to get that, but I don't really know. I was really looking for a 300, but if we get a 200, maybe eventually get the 200, and I'll have, or the 300, and I'll have the 200, 300, 500, and 600 technically. But yeah, right now I haven't used it yet. I was going to use it yesterday, but I pushed it off, and I don't really see a point in showing it on video because I don't really know what I can show. But right now I have attached to it the my homemade hose type thing. I don't care to dig the one for the concept one out. But I thought I'd show you that, and I thought that was pretty cool. So I don't know, maybe I will get the Elite 200 if I come across a little money or mow a lawn or something.